Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can send stickers in Line Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open up the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you do so, you should go to Chats and go ahead and click on any of the chat you want to send the sticker to. The next thing you want to do is click on this smiley or emoji icon and you can see some of the preloaded stickers in Line. So you can see that you can use the basic stickers, or else if you go to the sticker store, you can download a lot of stickers. So you can go ahead and use the sticker of your choice. So you can see that these all are the downloaded stickers. You can go ahead and click on any stickers and you can see that they will play. If you want to go to the settings or store, you can swipe to the end of it and you can see the settings. Go ahead and tap on it and you can go to the sticker settings, and you can also go directly to the store. So you can download new stickers as soon as the line is updated, and you can download them and send it to your friends. So guys, I hope this video about how you can send stickers to your friends in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.